Hi everyone, welcome to the Frank Nut YouTube channel. My name's Charlene and I work here at the Frank Nut shop in Birmingham. Today we're going to be looking at the A50. It's a new machine that Brother have brought out and we'd just like to show you all of the accessories that come with it and some of the features as well. So first of all, we'll just show you some of the accessories that you get. So you've got your instruction manual, which obviously is always useful. And then the feet you get is a zipper foot, a blind hem foot, an overcasting foot, a button sew-on foot, a monogramming foot and a buttonhole foot as well. You get actual tools as well to help you with the machine. So you get a couple of different screwdrivers for the needle plate and the needle bar as well. You get an unpicker, an eyelet punch tool, and you also get a set of needles and a twin needle. You've got your 3 sizes of spool caps, your bobbins. This particular machine comes with a soft cover and you've got your foot control and power lead as well as your accessory pouch. So the machine actually comes with 50 stitches, so you've got quite a few to choose from. These stitches include your basic utility stitches, you've got some quilting stitches, a few extra buttonholes and some decorative stitches as well. So what we'll do is we'll start by just threading the machine. So Brother have a great number system to help you while threading, particularly if you're a beginner. So we'll just pop the spool cap on. Generally you want the spool cap to be a little bit bigger than the thread, and we'll just clip it and follow it down. And then you go around the take-up link. Again, you've got arrows and numbers to help you if you're unsure. And then you pop it behind the needle bar. So this machine has a great advanced needle threader to make threading the needle much simpler. So we're just following it around and using the lever at the side, and that's it. Then your needle is threaded and you're just pulling the thread through. Okay, so we're actually going to show you how to do the bobbin first. So you actually want to do your bobbin before you actually thread it. So I did that the wrong way around. So what you need to do when winding the bobbin on is follow the dotted line rather than the solid line, and you want to bring it around in the right order and around into the tension disc, and that will create tension on the thread. And then if we just wrap it around the bobbin a couple of times and flick it across like it says in the picture, and then if you just press the start button it will wind a bobbin for you. That should be enough, and then you can stop it, flick it across, and you can trim the thread on the bobbin winder. So to put the bobbin in, you just need to make sure that the thread is going the right way. There is a picture here, just in case you do forget. And you just drop it in, follow the arrows, and there's a small thread cutter on the end, like that. And then you've got the bobbin cover, which you just pop on. So this is a top loading bobbin, very simple. You don't have to catch the bobbin thread either. It will catch it when you start sewing. So I'm just going to quickly rethread the machine, like we did earlier, just following the numbers, and I'll use the advanced needle threader as well. There we are, we love that. Okay, just got a bit too much thread here, and we'll just trim that because we've got a bit of excess. There we go. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just set the machine up to do a normal straight stitch. So this is what they call a jog dial, and you just navigate through it to select the stitch. As you select the stitch, it will change the length and the width for you. It will set it up so that you don't have to do too much messing around unless you do want to adjust it depending on what you're creating or what you need to do. So we'll go back to a 1 on a normal straight stitch, which is 2.5, and we'll use the start stop button, and you can use the speed control very reactive, and you've got plenty of control even without the foot control. You can of course use the foot control if you would prefer, but you have the option not to. If we just look at the machine as well, you've also got a tying off function, which will do a couple of stitches on the spot and tie the thread. You've also got your twin needle button, just to tell the machine if you're doing a twin needle. And if you are using a twin needle, you just need to use the additional spool pin as well. You've also got a reverse pattern button, which means that if you have that on, it will automatically do a back stitch for you, so you can set the machine to do that. All of this is in the instructions, or you can pop into store and we can give you a demonstration. So with this machine as well, you've got an accessory area at the front, and again you've got 50 stitches as well, so you've got plenty for all those great sewing projects, and you do have an additional quilting stitches, and the decorative stitches can be useful if you're making things for children or you just want a nice little pattern on them. I think that's pretty much it with this machine, so if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you, bye bye.